How y'all living? I hope you all are living well. I'm living on a high right now. Y'all know. Y'all know who that is, right? The queen of seafood boil. Now, even though I'm plant-based and I don't eat meat or seafood, my mouth is watering. We're gonna get into this thumbnail, okay? So I have a let's do a thumbnail. I'm hungry. I'm gonna hold this up. Fix my hair. I hear my stomach, I'm growling. So what I love about this sauce, what BLOVES did was, she has her famous sauce. If you don't know who BLOVES Life is, I don't know where you living. But BLOVES Life is the queen of seafood boils on YouTube. And she made a sauce. And here's my sauce. I got a lot of onions. You see it? It's hot. You see the steam? Yeah, I love onions too, just like her. But yeah, so she made a sauce and people were like really asking her about the sauce or whatever. So she came out with the seasoning. And what I love that she, instead of making the sauce with like cow's milk or like a butter that's non-vegan, she just made the seasoning packet. And so for anybody with any diet, they're able to enjoy the sauce to their liking and make it to their discretion, you know. It's really hot, y'all. So I really like that and appreciate that she did that. And that was that was a smart business move, y'all. It was brilliant, well thought out, well executed. A lot of people did complain about the price, but you know, it's business. We don't know what goes on behind the scenes, you know, with coming up with a product, you know. So if you don't want to buy it, then don't buy it. If you want to support, then support. That's just how I feel about it. Yeah. I obviously wanted to support. I also made my sauce, even my cucumbers. So I didn't tell you what we're eating. I have some cucumbers. I like the English cucumber. And I'll move this closer. And cauliflower rice, of course. And I'm gonna put some of this on here. It's hot. Mine is thick. Mine is real thick. It's thick. But yeah. So I have cauliflower rice. And I bought my son these like vegan sausage patties from Hillary's, I believe. He didn't like it. It is spicy. It is spicy. But he didn't eat it, so I didn't want to put it to waste. Because I don't got money to waste like that. I really don't. So I'm going to try this sauce with the rice. I'm going to do it all in one. You get a cucumber. You get a piece of this sausage. It's really like made out of grains. See? It's made out of grains. And they use seasoning for it to taste like a sausage. Let me tell y'all, all you need for something to taste like sausage, you ever eat like a sausage pizza, and when you bite into the sausage, you see like a little seed? It's called fennel seed. So that's what gives, I mean, even sausage, you need like seasoning to make it taste good, right? A little bit of onion. It's still hot. Ooh, don't burn my mouth. Look, this is a volcano. I got that from Tosh and Steph and Tosh on YouTube. But yeah, so they basically put like you know, seasonings and fennel seeds in it to taste like sausage. I tried the sausage yesterday. I bought it yesterday. And it does taste like sausage. It doesn't have the texture because the main ingredients are like millet and some grains. I hope it's not too hot. Yeah, I don't got no lip gloss or nothing on. Then you're supposed to eat it all together. I really taste the sausage though. The sauce doesn't overpower it, so that's good. Can y'all see this? It doesn't overpower it. I'll just put this down. But yeah, the sauce reminds me of yeah, I didn't make the sauce exactly like how she makes it, and I did use a lot of cucumbers, but the sauce reminds me of, like, y'all probably know, if y'all don't know, I'm Jamaican. So it reminds me of like a tomatoey base sauce that I ate growing up. That's what it reminds me of. It tastes good. Oh, and she puts onions, pickled garlic, minced garlic, pickled ginger, and